What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya, the best booming crash trader, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys the 99.99% accurate booming crash trading strategy that you can use right now and make some profits. As you can see, I've got a couple of trades that are in profit. We are going to be discussing how you can catch spikes while it's trading booming crash, as well as even going against spikes. You still be able to make some money while it's trading booming crash. So I'm going to take you through, guys, this strategy. I'm also going to share with you the settings that you're going to need for you to be able to catch these beautiful trades. As you can see right here on boom 1000, we were in our 1 hour time frame. We managed to catch all these spikes for boom 1000, and it's very, very simple, guys. By the end of this video, you should be able to make some profits on your own while it's using this strategy. So we're going to discuss all the booming crash entries that we took, how we caught the spikes, and how we can even trade against the spikes. It's very, very simple. As you can see, these are big moves. Remember, we're in our 1 hour time frame right here on boom 1000. We managed to move all the way from this level all the way up to that highest, and these are a lot of pips, guys. These are a lot of pips, and this strategy is simply going to help you identify these entries, and you'll be able to replicate them when you're trading on your own. So the first thing that you're going to be doing actually is to set up this strategy. Once we have done that, we're going to answer the three major questions that the strategy needs to answer, and then we'll talk about the conditions as well as other entry opportunities and trading tips. So stay up until the end so that you get the full package of this strategy. Okay, the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average. This moving average is going to have a period of 14. The shift will be 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. There are no levels on this one. And for all the indicators, please make sure on visualization it is on all time frames, because we're going to be introducing something called the top-down analysis, where you move from one time frame to another. So make sure that you can move around by having it on all time frames. I'm going to change the color for this one to green. Then we'll click done. And as you can see, we have got our first indicator, that green moving average. The next one is also going to be a moving average, but the period is going to change to 50. Okay, so just change the period of 50. Everything else remains the same. I'm simply also going to change the color so that we can distinguish between the indicators. Then we'll click done, and as you can see, we now have that red and green line running across our charts. Okay, now we also need the stochastic oscillator for momentum, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen: a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, and a method of simple. And we're going to have these levels. Level 20 is going to be our buy zone, and level 80 is going to be our sell zone. Okay, so make sure you have these two levels, because without them you will not be able to place some trades. Okay, then click done. What I just want you to take note of is the styling on your main and on your signal. Please make sure that you have the same color as your background color so that you do not get confused. And please also try and follow the same customizations that I'm using, because I'm going to be referring back to these colors and you might get confused. You can later on customize to the colors of your choice once you have understood the strategy. Okay, then if you click done, you see that we now have something added down here. We've got our stochastic oscillator that has got our levels, the sell zone, which is right here from 80 to 100, and then the buy zone, which is right here from 20 going down to 0, and nothing else inside. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add another indicator under our indicator window 1. It is going to be a moving average. The period this time is going to be 10. Everything else again remains the same, and then now change the style to black and click done. And as you can see, we now have our 1450 strategy fully installed. Okay, now let's discuss how you can catch spikes using this, or how we manage to catch spikes on boom. There was nothing really special that we did. We simply followed our trading rules, and our trading rules state that for you to enter into a buy trade, remember, if you're on boom, obviously to catch spikes you have to be in a buy trade, right? And our rules for the strategy indicate that for you to enter into a buy trade, number one, you want to have this black line being in your buy zone like that. That's the first condition. Second condition is you want to experience a break of market structure, a bullish break of market structure, which means we are exiting a bearish market structure and entering into a bullish market structure. How do you identify that? Simple, you just come here on your main chart. Remember, you start from your 1 hour time frame going down. Okay, that's called top down analysis. So you start from a higher time frame going down. Doesn't necessarily have to be a 1 hour, it can be a 4 hour, it can be a daily, depending on what type of trader you are. Okay, so the second thing is a break of market structure, a bullish break of market structure, and we can only identify it by having candlesticks crossing to be above that green line. As you can see right there, we managed to see candlesticks crossing to be above the green line. So we already have two conditions that are signaling for a buy trade, but you don't enter right away. Remember, you need multiple confirmations. So we're going to go down to our lower time frame, let's say the 30-minute time frame, reanalyze the market, and what we are now looking for is what is called the golden cross. And this is when the red line and the green line cross each other, signifying an approval or a considered trade or move. Okay, so once you see that in a 30-minute time frame, you couldn't see that. So going down to the 15-minute time frame, now you can see something. You can see that crossover. You can see that it happened right around this region. The green line, the red line crossed each other right around there, which is around the region that we actually ended on our trades. And the rest, you can see that we managed to catch all the spikes that followed. Okay, it was as simple as that for buying opportunities. I'm going to talk about something on your take profit. I'll come back to this trade because I don't want to go there yet. I want us to talk about a sell scenario where you can catch spikes going down, and that's what you see on our crash 1000. Actually, this trade was posted in our VIP signals group early in the morning, and people managed to enter this trade. But let me just explain how we did it. The first thing is you want to see your black line this time on your sell zone. The second thing is a bearish break of market structure. So you want to see the market telling you that we are breaking the bullish market structure, entering into a bearish structure, and you see that by having candlesticks crossing to be below that green line. As you can see right there, that was the two first confirmations. But remember, you need the golden cross that certifies that, and you can see that the golden cross followed closely in the 30-minute time frame, and in the 15-minute time frame it was actually earlier than that. You can see that it was up high at this stage, and that's when we actually ended into that sell trade. And as you can see, managed to catch all the spikes going down, Now I want to show you something which I said I'm showing you on my crash 1000, on my boom 1000, sorry, and that is when do you exit your trade. Now we've got a perfect example of when you can exit right now. You can see right here the market is indicating now going below the green line. Remember, if candlesticks are above your green line, it's a bullish momentum. If candlesticks now start going below your green line, now that's a bearish momentum. And remember, I've got a buy trade and I'm seeing my candlesticks crossing to be below the green line. This should already tell me that we are now changing momentum, because candlesticks have changed positions in relation to our EMA 14. Remember, the EMA 14 is very important to us. That's why we have it on the screen. And once we have candlesticks going below, it's time to exit. So this buy trade is about, it should be closed actually, because the momentum is ended. Although we were supposed to close up there, as you can see, following price action, you can see that there was sort of like a trend line there occurring, but this indicator managed to tell us a little bit later on that we are no longer going up. So that's another way for you to take profit. The same thing happened even on crash 1000. You can see that there was a break of market structure right here, and since then the market has been going up. The funny thing about crash is actually it also has a buy trade, which is going against spikes, and the conditions already met. The black line was now in the buy zone with the break of market structure, bullish one. Remember, the original market structure was bearish, this one, the one we entered the sell. But now we can see that now it has been broken by having candlesticks crossing to be above the green line, and you can see it actually pushed all the way up when we were supposed to close right around this region. Right now it's almost back close to our entry point, but nonetheless these profits were taken a while back, and this was just for the lesson. Okay, so you can already see your buy trade right there. If you go down to your 30-minute time frame, the crossover is around the golden cross, which is a little bit late. Let's check in our 15-minute time frame. It is around at this stage almost exactly when we experience the break of market structure. So you might have wanted to enter the buy trade right here. Actually, it was earlier and you'd be in profit right now. So can you see that you can play around with this strategy and do anything? Can you see that, guys? That sell trade, you can still catch spikes, you can still go against spikes. Either way. Oh, I almost forgot that we did not discuss on Crash 500. Crash 500 was a massive win. We managed to catch this sell trade, and we were still in it, but we're already starting to see a reversal. Our candlesticks now approaching to be above the green line, but I'm still interested in this momentum that we're getting from the black line, where it's pushing down and showing that we are bearish. So I'm still interested in that, but nonetheless, you can see we managed to catch beautiful spikes on Crash 500. Most of you guys ask me about this strategy and they say it confuses them, and they say they don't really get the entries. I have got a one-on-one mentorship program on this strategy where I explain in depth on how exactly everything is working and how you can use other tools, especially our latest indicator. If you use our latest indicator with this strategy, then you will never miss a trade. So if you want to join that one-on-one mentorship, feel free to contact us. My contact details will be in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. It's a completely free channel. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel where you can join. And in that Telegram channel, there are almost 8,000 traders. So it's a big trading community that can also help you grow and be part of other traders. And I post my trading results, I post trading setups, signals, strategies, any trading material that can help you, including my contact details in there. So feel free to check it out as well. And remember, on each and every video, guys, I do give away a free spot in our VIP Signals group. Basically, the VIP Signals group is a group where I trade and send my trades in there. So for example, these trades that I took, I've got about 5 positions if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the other ones are on volatility indices, but on Crash we've got about 3. All these trades I post them in our VIP Signals group. So if you want to be part of it, make sure you subscribe. And remember, the free spot, for you to win it, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. The best comment is going to win a free spot in our VIP Signals group, and you'll be able to trade for me. So comment down below the best comment, first comment, or the comment with the most number of likes is going to win. So feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to check our second YouTube channel where we discuss volatility indices in depth. I'll also leave the link in the Telegram channel so you can go check it out. So if you want to study volatility indices, if you want to see these positions, I've done a video on them, and it is on our second channel where we talk about volatility indices. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from this strategy. Feel free to like this video so that you can help many people. Until next time.